back to the palette. I don't know why I was so dark, but girl had to change the settings for a bit. So this is what this looks like. It is by whatever the word they be, but so I'm okay, whatever it be, but you see it, my hand kind of made it. You see this? Oh, there you go. I knew it had to be something, so I can buy my own makeup singles, and I can stick them on in here. And I was just looking on Miss A for one of these, but Ipsy be spying on me now, and I got that haul coming up where I do a Miss A unbagging small haul. But Ipsy, you're coming all the way through. You're coming all the way through. I forgot to swatch these, but y'all must excuse the girl is excited. And then I see I got 2 lip balms here. This is a simple and awesome organic vanilla lip balm, and this one is a organic peppermint lip balm. So Ipsy gave me 2 of these. Can't really try them on now because my lip have on lip gloss. And you know, Ipsy sends us the cutest bags. So this is the bigger size to this one. So I got 2 now, just a little bit bigger. These are always nice when you're going on the road, or you want to travel and you put stuff in so things are organized. And to the last box, guys, the last box. You know how the thing go. We're gonna break the seal together with my daughter's scissors. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I thought that was broken. Yes, now. Let's close our eyes for a minute and get because it is about to do. Let's hope. Let me just rest it. Let me just act like I didn't see anything in there and just let's get to the pamphlet. Ipsy pamphlet, letting you guys know what's in my box. So now we're done. Get a preview from the pamphlet. Right on top is the other bag. Inside of this has a burgundy purplish, like a plum color. I thought it would have been bigger based on the preview that I got. So, for those of us who want to go on a night out with the girls or something, we can pack a few stuff in here, makeup items, or put it into our weekend bag if we're going on a vacation. So now we got a whole organizer set going on there. So the first thing in here are not 1, not 2, but 4 sheet masks. And I love sheet masks. I'm a hoarder for sheet masks. I collect these stuff and then treat myself. Bay and I can enjoy our spa nights when we get down to the sheet masks. So this is from Feel, and this is a brilliant bamboo charcoal facial sheet mask, powerful detoxifier plus pore minimizer. I don't know about the pores part because y'all see a girl's face. But guys, tell me if Ipsy gonna deliver. Then I have a liquid eyeliner, and I always don't mess up my hand, so this is really nice. Let me see what going.
Truth is, I'm tired. Options are few. I'm trying to.
That totally just mess up, but y'all get it, right? You can totally see the difference minus this. You can tell that something's been done to my eye, but I just totally made a mess of my face. Then I have a 3-in-1 lip sparkle balm in Twinkle. Apply underneath a lip gloss as a topper over your lip liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. This is in a nice rosy pinky color or some kind of color. Yeah. More Pixie by Patra, and this is a mineral bronzer. Which part bronzer go? Where bronzer go? Hey, let me know in the description area which part the bronzer is supposed to go, because I don't know. And he locked down, but it has 2 different shades in it. Hope you guys can see. There's a dark brown on this side and a lighter brown on the other, but yeah. Okay, so that's item number how much ever. No man, I'm more items in here. There is this liquid lipstick that I really want to try. Get off my hand now. Get off. Thank you. Oh, I need something to wipe off my lip. Let's see. Put on a little bit more. You know what this would look nice with? You put on a nice dark red and then put this so you get an ombre effect. But who can talk to the girl? The girl lips are kissable. And then I have it in 2 shades. There is a Twinkle and there's a Periwinkle. You don't say. Yes, Jack. So Ipsy trying to spoil me now. Ipsy trying to spoil me. And then I'm seeing another cosmetics here by Space Case. Hope it's not the same shade like what we got before, because that's when I'm gonna be mad. No, this is seen from space. So peep the baby, peep the baby. Ipsy, thank you. My makeup kit would be hella pretty. I'm seeing a Skin & Co. Aroma. It's a truffle therapy, and this is a polishing, micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. You don't say. Yes, Jack. Oh well. Okay, you don't want to open, and there's seals on here. Okay. Has a smell of cocoa butter, but yes. Babe, facial. We need a spa date night. We've been lacking on our spa night, so hurry up, come on, I hit your girl, so we can spa date together. I'll get the cucumbers ready. Hear My Child beckoning, and then I have a color B, the future of color nail liqueur here. This is in a burgundy type thing. It's really dark. It's dripping. Do you see that? But my nail tech is gonna bust my ass because I'm putting this on my nail. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I can't paint nails now. That was always one of my special needs moments. See, it's not far from the one I have on. One just got in glitter and it's just a bit darker. Excuse my nails. Yes, I know they want to fill, but it never focus. It's just a few tints darker. Yes, we're winding it down. We're winding it down. This is a 111 Skin Harley St. London, a cryo activating hydrogel. Ooh. I'm gonna go and research these products, see what they're all about, but it's also .52 ounces. Oh, real fancy dancy stuff. Fancy dancy. I don't even know this if I but apply in small circular motions in the morning and night after cleansing your face. Something else to keep the girl face melanin. Keep my melanin popping. Ipsy, I must say thank you. And there are people out there encouraging me to give up on Ipsy. I'm trying to, but the addiction is real. The addiction is real. Winding it down. Another brush. Another brush. So this one is a contour brush. I needed a good contour brush. So you know your girl be on a. That's why you contour. I tell me, you contour like this, and then you do like this and this. Come across there on the young. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna do a video showing y'all how I do my makeup real soon, because that is about to be a clown moment. And lastly, oh no, not lastly, I just saw this Clean It Zero. It's a cleansing balm. Oh. This is all in one. The writings are really tiny, so me try for read and see what you see. It's a all-in-one sherbet type cleanser that softly melts on the skin to remove makeup, exfoliates and hydrates in one simple step. You don't say. Yes, Jack. And then now the final stuff. It's a scalp and shimmer. Is this a Morphe? Ipsy get y'all Morphe. You gotta be kidding. So you know. You all know. Literal tears. But I won't do that on camera. Baby, yes. Ipsy, you know for do it. You know me for do it. Peep my colors. peep my palette in the eye backside. Peep my palette. I could totally come into my video now. This donut, this fabulous Big Bang, looking like a snack there. It's like, what? You say what? Ipsy this month gets a 10 out of 10. Y'all heard me. Ipsy got a 10 out of 10. How am I supposed to stop from Ipsy now? But anyways, that has brought us to the end of the unboxing. Let me know which products you guys liked. Which bag do you prefer more? Ipsy did a girl good. So if you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on post notification bell. Drop us a comment, let us know if you liked our video, if you enjoyed the video so far, and see you again next time. Bye.